All right, Bruce is here at the pit, and we're going to do some apple butter ribs. And this, you can see, is these are baby backs. In fact, this is a real deal baby back. It's looks like it's below 1 3/4 pounds. Yeah, pretty light. So, all right. So anyway, and you use some apple butter right there, which is available pretty much anywhere, including your local apple orchard, which we have one. And here, we've got some dried apple right there.
Courtesy of Bruce.
Courtesy of Bruce. So those are dried apples, and then chopped up a bit. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. So, and here's the magic. This is Sweet Martha rub. Now you can use your favorite rub, right? It's up to you, whatever's available or what taste profile you prefer. Right. Oh yeah. And here we're just slicing up the membrane. You do not have to remove it if you don't want to. There's a lot of discussion about that either way, but most pit masters will not remove it, right? Get that Martha on there. Oh man, smells good already. Cool. Now we're just going to take those dried apple butter chips and put it all over this rack, just the way she likes it. Okay. Yeah, that does look good enough to eat already, right? I mean, I don't even think we have to cook it. Let's just slice it up. Let's do it. So.
Ready, Slasher? Meat coming over.
All right. So we got the Colossus smoker here. Oh, look how pretty that is. Nice. All right. We'll just kick back and relax. All right, here Slasher's going to do some spicy applesauce ribs. And he'll call the police. You know it.
So
as soon as they smell smoke at the pit, you know the fire department comes out. All right, so.
Dump in 2 cups of applesauce.
2 cups applesauce. It's a real easy to do one. There we go.
Then we take the cup and get 2 cups of brown sugar.
2 cups brown sugar. Oh yeah. Man.
Then we take a teaspoon of cayenne.
Now here's the spicy. A couple teaspoons of cayenne pepper.
Then we get a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Gotta have the garlic powder. All right. All right.
A half teaspoon of paprika.
Gives us that earthy flavor and color.
And we want a 1/4 cup of ketchup.
Got some chup.
1 teaspoon of salt.
There we go.
1 teaspoon lemon juice.
Got the lemon. There's a little teaspoon. Oh yeah.
And 1 teaspoon of black pepper.
Black pepper. All right.
You stir this up a little bit here. Crunch, crunch. Gonna break up that
There we
brown
go.
sugar.
Oh yeah.
And we'll put it right on the heat.
We'll heat it up.
Oh, you're just gonna do it on top? Okay.
Just heat it right there.
There we go. Won't take long.
Then we go get another rack ready.
All right.
Before I forget. I made you a gift.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just trim this up a little bit. There we go. Get these spares ready. Right. All right. So what do you got going on there?
Now we got our Almighty.
The Almighty, man.
The Almighty.
Almighty,
Yeah,
that's good
very,
stuff.
Very set in a lot of flavors.
Almighty.
Very good. Excellent stuff.
There we go. That'll get us started anyway.
Okay, here we go.
I think we're heading to the Colossus. Whoa! Look at that.
We got our smoke on.
3 racks in.
That's it. Open these up and put this apple.
Oh,
Put the apple stuff on the. Yes.
Oh wow.
Man. You're looking good.
Oh yeah.
Nice color.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Nice. Good job. Cheers.
Let's get sloppy now.
Slasher's getting sloppy.
Good.
Can you remind me what you're putting on here? Because I got here a little.
This is the spicy applesauce slop.
I love that.
Spicy
I
applesauce.
took a little.
We made it a little while ago. It has a few ingredients in it.
That's how I tried a little. It has a little kick to it. I love it.
Yeah,
It's very good. It's like a
you
sauce.
tried it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very good. Yep. We'll give it a little kick. There you go.
Check the ribs. Yeah, give them a splash.
That's it.
Yeah, we use a lot of.
We don't need to go into the foil.
What do we got going on here, Slash? Taking them off?
Yeah, I'm taking them off. and
Wrapping 'em?
Wrapping them up. Let's take this, let's do that. All right, we'll do that one. Yep. And then we get a smaller piece.
Yep.
Ready? Whoa.
Let's see. Got enough to work with?
Get some beer. Any beer?
You want to put a little beer in them?
Yeah, just need some
Or you want to
liquid.
pour it on it?
Pour
Or
it right in there. Pour it right in there.
say what?
That's good.
Get you another piece.
Yep. Get in a small piece.
Smaller?
Cut it. No, smaller. That's fine.
We're good. All right. Boom.
They're coming after the coyotes. They might be interested in bear. No, we don't reckon
All right.
half coonhound and half football.
You ready?
Oh, yeah. There we go. We got a knife right here for you.
No, we're not opening it yet. Let it rest a little bit. You get the rest of them? Wow. Got it?
Come out of that.
You got that whiff.
All right.
Got it.
Smells good. Smells really smoky.
Mm.
Nice. Cutting his ribs.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Came off, but
Oh, caramelized,
oh yeah.
good sticky ribs.
They're
Oh,
definitely
wow.
sticking.
Want your spatula?
That's gonna be good.
All right. Here.
Okay. Oop, I gotta get in here.
What are these? What kind of ribs are these? What are we calling these?
Okay, talk about your ribs there,
Yeah.
Cheshire Cat.
How's it feel?
Well, we kind of did the opposite of what you normally do. I put the rub down first, and I put the binder on top.
Yep.
So we used apple butter, so dehydrated apples. We figured with the apple butter and the moisture, it would actually try to rehydrate the apples. So that's it.
Let's see.
All
what-
right, let's cut those ribs.
Tell you what.
Who wants a Scooby snack?
Oh, Scooby snack.
Excellent. No BS, man. Perfect amount of smoke. It's not overbearing at all.
There you go. Dig in, guys.
Oh, all right. Don't mind if I do.
Dig in.
Oh wow. That stuff held its flavor.
Look at that smoke ring.
Oh yeah.
Look at that ring.
You got it.
Great job, Cheshire Cat. Great
Thank you,
job.
sir.
Definitely just an apple.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Tell us about it, Slash.
Yeah. What is this? Come on. What's on here?
That is
I know we've talked about it a couple times.
spicy applesauce. Take it.
Hey, I bring you gifts.
I bring you gift, you better take.
Yes.
That's got perfect heat.
Oh yeah. Holy jeez. What in the?
Take one shot to him.
Oh yeah.
That's great.
Oh wow.
Right.
Oh, and I love spares.
Yeah, I like spirits more than babies.
Yeah.
Step up.
Yeah, come on, chef. Yeah, exactly. You gotta.
Oh, there's the heat. Right?
Yeah.
It's in there.
Yep.
It creeps up. Where's Dave? Take a leak.
You try it? Did you try his?
Yeah, I just had one. Okay, good. Yep.
Alright. So we should.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bet you the dog wants to lick my face tonight.
Oh, you bet. What you got on?
Man.
All right. This is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and we're not going to apologize. Did we eat already? We already ate our ribs.
We're too good.
Whoa, man. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out the BBQ Pit Boys.
Pitboys.com.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. All right.
Perfect.
Cool.
I say we destroy.
Yep.